everybody, Calvin here.
And wallet.
Today we are showing you the fidget cube and the fidget spinner and what one you should get or you might like. So let's get into it. By the way, Wally's standing on a stool so he can reach this, and basically the fidget cube is a fidget that you can use to click, do other things. It helps relieve stress. You can also spin it, and also you can use the joystick and that's basically it. So I think it's good. It fits nicely in the palm of your hand, and you can you can really easily just put it under your desk for class. It doesn't make too much noise, but I think out of the two, this would be taken away quicker. But let's get into the pros and cons of the fidget spinner.
Okay, I'm gonna list the cons first. So you can pop out the bearings. Most of them are loud.
Yeah, it's hard to find quiet ones. And that's it for the cons. Now, list the pros.
Pros. It helps you relieve stress. It helps you concentrate. It looks cool.
And yeah, pros and cons of the spinner and pros and cons of the fidget cube. Let us know down in the comments what you think is better for you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you all later. Bye!